channel. My name is Lindsay and today I am so excited because we are bleach tie-dyeing. So my last video I tie-dyed with my boyfriend a bunch of clothes, but I thought for this one I would show you guys how to tie-dye with bleach in case you don't have tie-dye right now or you can't get your hands on it. If you have literally bleach and some black clothes, that's the basics. That's pretty much all you need. So hopefully you'll be able to do it then. So I thought I would just show you the pieces I'm gonna tie-dye and what I have, and then we'll get right into it. So I have this little tank top, and the only thing with this one is it is a material that I'm not 100% sure is gonna bleach, but I hope it does. We'll have to see. It's called viscose. It's like 96% viscose. We'll see. Definitely bleach dyes better if it's with natural fibers. So for example, this is a Tommy Hilfiger. I got this from the Tommy outlet in like September, like so long ago. And I didn't know what I wanted to do with it. I just thought it was really on sale and I was like, it's a cute oversized pink t-shirt from Tommy. So I have this and it's 100% cotton. So I think that will definitely work really well. And then I have some Roots classic, just normal black sweatpants. I thrifted these about 2 months ago for $2.99. So there you go. Pretty good deal. I also have, this is actually Adam's, I'm tie-dyeing for him. It's Internet Explorer 10. It's just a really dope sweater or long sleeve that he thrifted a little while ago, but we're gonna tie-dye it now. So those are the pieces I'm gonna tie-dye and then, or not, bleach tie-dye, yeah, still tie-dye. And then I have this bleach that I got from the grocery store. It's just Clorox. You can get this from the grocery store, dollar store, or you probably already have it if you live in like a home. And then you definitely want some rubber gloves because bleach is super destructive and damaging. So if you get it on your skin, it's not healthy. You definitely want to not get it on your skin. So these rubber gloves are better than even like the thin latex ones. So you want some good rubber gloves. And then some elastics. I still have these from before. And then you're gonna want something to put the bleach in. So you can use a spray bottle. I'm gonna use this because I still have the containers from tie-dyeing last week. So I am going to just use this. So what I'm gonna do is do 1 part bleach, 1 part water. So I am marking it off. I don't think this is necessarily necessary. It just helps dilute the bleach so it's not so like damaging on your clothes. It's a little nicer on your clothes. I don't think it really affects how it turns out though. So I just made a little dot where the halfway point is. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go fill this up with bleach and water. I'm gonna lay out my garbage bags and we are gonna start bleaching. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with the little tank top and I'm gonna do a swirl from the bottom corner because I find that makes it more just like a burst almost instead of the swirl in the middle. So we'll start with that. I'm just gonna grab the corner and twist it. Okay, so I just did 3 elastics and that's 1 swirl. Then I have the pink tank top and I think what I'm gonna try to do, I hope this works, I'm gonna do the same thing, I'm gonna do another swirl, but I'm gonna grab the logo and twist from there, so it kind of twist out from that. I hope it looks good. We'll see. Did this one, that's 4 elastics. Didn't need 4 elastics, just wanted to do it. Don't worry, you don't need to use that many. Okay, now I am gonna do a different technique for this one. I'm actually gonna roll it. I saw someone do this and I think it'll look really cool, I hope. So basically, I'm gonna lay it out. So I'm actually gonna lay it facing away from me. And I am going to just roll it to start. Roll the sleeves like this. And plop them in the little burrito. Like so. Keep rolling. So I just put 2 elastics on the 2 ends to hold it together, and I'm gonna add a bunch more elastics along it. Okay, so then I just bend it in half, kind of line them up, and that is that one. I'm so excited, I've never tie-dyed something like that. Okay, and the last thing are the pants. So I've been debating this because I feel like scrunched pants, like the scrunch method where it's more blotchy, I feel like that can look really good, but it can also look like really beat with bleach dye. I find like it can look really old and like beaten up kind of, but it can look really good. So I'm gonna actually try to do swirl with it. I'm gonna do my best, and what I'm gonna do, because like the main piece of fabric is like the crotch, but I don't want the swirl to be on the crotch obviously, so I'm gonna try and grab the knee area and pinch it together to start the swirl and then do it like that. So let's see if that works. I'm pinching the two hands together. Sorry, my camera turned off for a second, but here we are. So I have it all twisted. I'm a bit nervous for the crotch area, but I hope it's good. Okay, and this one has a bunch of elastics. Oh, this roll looks good on the back. So, oh, this roll looks so good on the back. Okay, so now I'm going to bleach them. Okay, I'm hoping this will be enough protection for everything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, because you're supposed to leave bleach for only 8 to 10 minutes, otherwise it could damage your clothes. Obviously, I've seen people leave it longer and it's fine, but I'm gonna just do that. And we're actually gonna rinse the bleach in our kitchen sink because my cat goes in the bathtub all the time and I don't want to risk her getting a chemical burn or anything, and she never goes in the kitchen sink. So we're gonna clean our kitchen sink really well, but it's great because I'm in the living room, the sink's right there, so I literally can just pick up my stuff and rinse it in there after the 10 minutes is up. All right, let's set it up. Let's bleach. Okay, so I gotta stand up to do it, but I'm basically just gonna pour the bleach over it. I might have to fill this up twice, but yeah. I'm so nervous, let's do it. I'm so excited. All right, it's already getting lighter. Holy moly.
Oh my god, it's so crazy, so fast. It's turning so red.
Yeah, I like it.
It's so red.
Oh, okay, gotta fill more. Okay, what are we at? Okay, we're at 4.5 minutes. I'm just gonna let it go, and then I'm gonna start by rinsing these first and then move along. Okay, I am just undoing it.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that looks so dope. Okay. I'm just gonna rinse it out now. So for each one, I'm just gonna undo the things, rinse it really, really well. Oh my god, this is so dope. Okay, that is really exciting. See, the swirl method is good sometimes if you put the swirl in different places, you know? I'm gonna swirl. Come. We're just doing this fast. We're going like this. And we go like this. In the washer, grab the next one. So I also forgot to mention, when I tie-dyed them, I didn't wet them. So when we tie-dyed them in my last video with normal dye, I wet all the clothes. That's a waste of water. But with this, I didn't want the bleach to spread even more. So I didn't do any of the clothing wet. I just washed it in the washing machine first, especially the misguided shirt, because that was brand new and you should always wash new garments first before you dye them. And so then I washed it and dried it, and we put the bleach. I put the bleach on with dry clothes. Okay, I'm so excited. What do you think it's gonna look like? Oh, this one you can really see the color coming out.
Yeah.
So you can see the bleach, the black bleach coming out. Is all that's, sorry about the background. Okay, the sweatpants. Eee! Wow, this is such a faster process than dye.
Yeah.
Just boom, boom, done, you got your clothes. Let's see. Oh, exciting! Okay guys, so it doesn't really look dyed, but I can tell it is dyed because you can see the darker pink. I just left it about 5 extra minutes probably. But I don't want to wait too long because I want to put everything in the dryer together. So let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh. So I'm throwing 1 Tide Pod in because you should wash it with actual detergent. And then we are gonna run it. Let's see how that works. Okay guys, so here is the pink shirt. I think it turned out really well. With the little, like the logo didn't get bleached or anything. So I think this turned out really good. I like this a lot. Here's the back. You can see the swirl in the back too. Love this. Okay, and then these are the sweatpants, which I literally love so much. I love how the swirl kind of turns out, but look at the back. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. Let me check from this side. I just feel like that looks so cool. So I really love how these turned out. And then here is the top. So I love the color. I didn't expect it to be so red, and I feel like it looks so cute. So that is that. Okay guys, and then this is the last shirt. So I think it actually looks so good. I love how this turned out. I love the color on it. So that's that, but I think I may go in and roll the sleeves a little bit just to get them to be a little bit more dyed. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. So those are all the things. I think that they turn out. I think the sweatpants are my favorite. I'm literally gonna wear them for the rest of the day. Super cozy, love the tank top, love this. Actually, everything is really good. So there you go. You guys can bleach tie-dye at home so easily and make some cute stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed it. I hope that it gave you guys some inspiration to bleach tie-dye. It's so easy and it's so fast. So also please let me know which one was your favorite piece that I did. I would love to know. And if you guys end up bleach tie-dyeing, you can DM me pictures on Instagram. I would literally love to see that. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and stay safe and stay home if you can. I will see you guys in my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.